So today we're going to be changing out this boiler and this water heater for a combi boiler. Obviously this guy started leaking a bunch and the boiler's well past its prime. We're going to be setting it up with a Navien NFC 200. It's going to be able to, take care of their domestic hot water as well as their internal heat system. It's going to save a bunch of room for this storage area. It's going to get mounted up on the wall and look a whole lot better than this right now. Ready to get started?
She hid around corners and she hid under beds. She killed it with kisses and from it she fled. With every bubble she sank with a drink and washed it away down the kitchen sink. The dog days are over.
As you can see, we've gotten everything removed, at least the majority of it. Now we're going to be putting the unit back over there in the corner and get working that direction and start cleaning this up even further. So I'm setting up the mounting bracket so that this is what the combi boiler is going to sit on. Right now we're working on installing the vent to go to the exterior. That big silver guy up there was from the old exhaust system. Now we're running the new one in PVC. So getting going on that.
Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave all your love and your longing behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. The dog days are over, the dog days are done. Can you hear the voices? 'Cause we are late
So we're all wrapped up here with this combi boiler system. This is going to be taking care of the domestic hot water as well as heating the home. We scooted everything back. We got rid of all the clunky pipes that were hanging out of the middle of the ceiling. There's a whole lot more room out here for the customer's equipment, for storage, anything like that. We've got it all wrapped up, no leaks, everything's rolling good, and that's that.